he was the first prime minister that leave armed forces special for from the sub-in assembly segment. Dr. Manmohan Singh, former prime minister of India, is a great leader. Also, his contributions to the nation is a very great since that lot of the activities during his time. And regarding these achievements and activities which had done by the then former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, we can mention that the RTI, which is against the corruption, it is also a right to education, and MG, NREGS, and different reformations in the society, and restructuring the development of infrastructures of the nation. Also, particularly for Manipur, his history will be included in the history of Manipur. The history of Manipur will be included in the history of Dr. Manmohan Singh, the then Prime Minister, because he is the Prime Minister who handed over the historic Kangla forts to the people of Manipur, to the government of Manipur. And also, he was the first Prime Minister that leave armed forces special for from the sub-in assembly segment, which is very much long demanded of the people of Manipur. And that's why his history will be included in the history of Manipur. So he's a very great man. He always concerns the socialistic views. And that is why he had done a lot of social related activities. Infrastructures had been taken up in the nation, in the state particularly. The present Manipur and as well as the present India is the outcome of the then Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. His realistic view to reform the economy and the social views and also restructuring the infrastructures of the nations is really the present positions is the outcome of the then Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. A lot of things which we cannot mention all, and this is what we are having here in the state, many infrastructures development of the state as well as the entire northeast of India. And his view is a very realistic. These activities which have done by the then Prime Ministers is what we are facilitating here in the Northeast India. And also the present achievement, the present infrastructures that we have now. You see the first four-river Imam market in the world was constructed by the then Prime Minister Manmohan Singh under his guidance. And a lot of these capital projects which we have here in the state, the construction of assembly, the construction of the secretariat complex, and overbridge, which is the first time in the state, this was the guidance of the then Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. So that's why whatever we have in the present positions of the state is a total outcomes of the then Prime Minister. That's why we cannot forget his activities, and still we will remember and also will be remembered throughout the history, throughout the life of the citizens of Manipur, and also is really a great work that he has done during his Prime Minister of India. Thank you.